Happy Wednesday, marketers! I'm Dustin Hoyman with ParaCore, your pay-per-click lead generation agency. In this week's PPC News Updates, we have a lot of ground to cover with Google upgrades, increases, announcements, and rollouts. I'm also going to cover what's new in Facebook Marketplace and some of their retiring features. But we'll also talk about Bing Ads updates, and we even have a LinkedIn announcement to share. But first, let's get started with Google. Google AdWords doubles the number of site links on search ads. With the new Sitelinks format for Google AdWords, you can now have as many as 8 site links in your ads. It used to only be 4 site links for mobile devices, and now it's 8, and that includes tablets too, which used to show 2 to 6 site links. Site link extensions are great if you want to direct people to a specific page on your website from your ad, so the fact that Google AdWords doubled the number of site links on the search ads means that people can go right to the page of purchase. Another cool update with Google is the auto-playing video previews in search results carousel on Android. Google is now showing 6-second video previews in the search results delivered on Android devices. Currently, this only occurs when you are using the Google app for Android or using Chrome on Android. Now, when you toggle through the videos in the carousel, it will show you a 6-second preview of the video. Google said that this will only be the default behavior when the user is on a Wi-Fi connection, but users can enable video previews on mobile networks or opt out of the feature entirely by going to the settings menu within the Google app or adjusting settings for Android Chrome. Okay, now let's talk about universal app campaigns. Google just announced they'll be moving all AdWords app install campaigns to universal app campaigns later this year. These UACs rolled out 2 years ago for Google Play, Google.com, YouTube, and the Google Display Network, so they're very effective at reaching multiple users on multiple channels. According to Google, advertisers optimizing for in-app actions with UAC saw an average of 100% more conversions per dollar compared to other Google app promotion products. Explaining how it works and all the features it contains would take up an entire video, so if you'd like to learn more, just visit the Google support page for AdWords help, and just know that this is awesome news for marketers. It seems Google never sleeps because they just announced enhancements to ads served in accelerated mobile pages. This is a 3-phase project for them, and they just entered phase 2, which focuses on speeding up AMP ad rendering, utilizing what they call fast fetch. Fast fetch essentially separates the ad request from the ad rendering. Fast fetch allows the ad request to happen while the page content is being rendered, and then only renders the ad before the ad slot is in view for the user. It might sound confusing at first, but basically ads will load quicker and more efficiently. One last announcement for Google, the new landing pages tool they announced earlier this year is finally being rolled out in the next few weeks. To help advertisers improve mobile performance, landing pages will identify site URLs that drive the most clicks or engagement. The tool also reports mobile-friendly click rate, which is the percentage of mobile clicks coming from smartphones that land on mobile-friendly pages. This will enable marketers to determine which individual URLs need to be fixed for mobile and prioritize them accordingly. Now let's talk about Facebook updates. Facebook has expanded marketplace categories and content in a push for new growth. What this means is that businesses will now be able to have their content featured in Marketplace. The new categories that will be more business-centric are jobs, daily deals, tickets such as Eventbrite and Ticketmaster, and shops such as products from the shop section of business pages. For businesses selling products or job listings, content will be pulled from pages. To add products, businesses add the content or inventory to the shop area of their pages. That will get pulled into Marketplace automatically. If businesses are working with commerce platforms such as Shopify, products can be published to Facebook through their tools. On another note, Facebook announced they're retiring some uncommon boosted post options. Basically, they're removing the ability to boost some post types that are rarely used, and more importantly, are not closely tied to the advertiser objectives. To see the complete list of boost posting options that will be removed, visit the advertiser help section on Facebook. Okay, now it's time to talk about good old Bing ads. In an effort to help advertisers reach more customers, they now show ads for close variations. Close variants can include singular and plural forms, abbreviations, misspellings, punctuations, word blending, accents, and stemming. This can help in not only driving additional clicks where customer intent is the same, but also saving you time by not having to build and manage many variations of your keywords. Well done, Bing ads. And our last topic of discussion on weekly updates is LinkedIn. They've been silent for a while, but now they've just introduced native video. The ability to post videos on LinkedIn will be rolling out to all members globally in the coming weeks. This is great news for marketers because LinkedIn is a platform where members are in a professional mindset, which makes them more receptive to business messaging, especially in video format. Marketers will also have the capability to measure engagement of the videos they post on the platform. As a warning to marketers, please note that video posting on LinkedIn is currently only available for members and not for companies. Additionally, LinkedIn's sponsored content does not currently accommodate video. but there's no doubt that video will be available to everything, including companies and sponsored content soon. That's all for the week. If you enjoy these updates, please click that red subscribe button below, and make sure you also click that like button too, because you gotta like it. We'd also like to hear what you think about the recent updates, so be sure to share your comments, and as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week's updates.